Hello my studious friends, welcome to this 9th lecture on the topic of bills of exchange. In the 8th lecture I have prepared the summary of all the different journal entries under various situations, whether the bill is retained or it is discounted or it is sent to bank for collection or it is endorsed. And prior to that we have discussed in detail each and every situation as well as the basic problems on calculation of discount or passing of certain entries. Now this is the first practical problem that we are going to solve. These kind of problems may come in examination. So let us consider these questions. Now 17 questions we are going to solve. First question, Akash drew a bill on Deepak for rupees 25,000. So Akash is the drawer and Deepak is the drawee. On 23rd of December 2019 for 3 months. Deepak accepted the bill and returned it to Akash. On the due date, the bill was duly honored by Deepak. Okay, so bill is honored already. There is no tension of dishonor in this situation. Give journal entries in the books of Akash and Deepak under each of the following cases. If Akash retained the bill to maturity, if Akash discounted the bill with his bank at 6% per annum on the same day, or if Akash sent the bill to bank for collection on 23rd December 2019, and if Akash endorsed the bill to his creditor Viren. So they have told us 4 different situations, and in each situation we are going to assume that the bill is honored only. What is the date of drawing the bill? 23rd December. What is the duration of the bill? 3 months. So 23rd December to 23rd January, 23rd January to 23rd February, 23rd February to 23rd March plus 3 days, that becomes 26th of March 2020. Not 2019, be careful, 2020. 26th of March 2020 is going to be the legal due date of the bill. And then they are telling you that if the bill is retained, then what is the situation? If the bill is discounted at 6% per annum, then what is the situation? Then if the bill is sent to bank for collection, and if the bill is endorsed in favor of the creditor, these are the different situations they have told us. So let us now start with the journal entry part. Before that, let me consider the observations. Yes, you know already, observations are only for you and me. In almost every lecture I go on emphasizing it. Observations are only for you and me, not for the examination. Okay, in exam you need not write observations at all. Just a minute. Yeah, and here I am considering now the observation. First one is Akash is the drawer and Deepak is the drawee. Bill is for rupees 25,000. It is drawn on 23rd December 2019 for 3 months. Therefore, legal due date is equal to 23rd December 2019. I'll call it as NDD first, nominal due date. 23rd December 2019 plus 3 months, that goes to 23rd March 2020. Next, LDD is equal to 23rd March 2020 plus 3 days is equal to 26th of March 2020. Next, they have told us that the bill is honored. The bill is honored, and they are asking us to consider various situations. Entries are passed for each different situation. Okay, then comes the next part, SITUA. Okay, and in case of discounting of the bill, we'll have to calculate the amount of discount. DISCOUNT, discount amount is equal to bill amount into discount rate, or you can say interest rate, into unexpired period upon 12 months, because the period is given in months. Okay, so that goes to how much? That goes to discount amount is, therefore discount amount is equal to 25,000 into rate of discount is 6%, into unexpired period is how much? On the same day they have told you, that means it will be 3 months upon 12 months. So calculate it quickly. 25,000 into 6%, 25,000 into 6%, that goes to 1,500, but 1,500 is for full year and we are interested in considering for 3 months, so into 3 upon 12, that goes to 375, is equal to 375. Therefore net amount is equal to 25,000 minus 375, that goes to how much? Calculated 24,625. okay, 24,625. just check it out. 25,000, yes. So that is the basic requirement which we have completed now. So now we can consider the entries. Now if you remember properly, previously also we have, whenever we have done such type of problems wherein in single problem there are multiple different situations, we have specified that the entries which are constant, that we will be passing only once, and the entries which will change according to situation, they are going to be repeated by us again and again. So let us consider the first entry, that is on 23rd of December, when Akash is drawing the bill and Deepak is accepting the same. We can safely say that this entry is need not be repeated again and again, and this entry can be passed only once. So first entry, that is bill drawn and accepted, that will be passed by us once, and then for each of the situation A, B, C and D, we are going to pass rest of the entries. Okay, so let me consider now. First of all, first entry on the left hand side, it is supplier, creditor, or else a seller, and here it will be debtor. Okay, here it is Akash and here it is Deepak, and then I'll consider something different here. Let me just change the size so it becomes easy for me to write the entries, because certain account names are longer, so it becomes difficult to write in one single page. Yeah, now I can consider first entry is on 23rd of December. Akash is the drawer, so in the books of Akash the entry will be 23rd December. Just a moment. (2019). Okay, 23rd December 2019. Akash will pass the entry for bill is coming in, debit what comes in, bills receivable account debit, bills receivable account debit to Deepak is the giver, credit the giver to Deepak account. Amount is how much? 25,000 is the amount, so we are going to write 25,000 and then 25,000 being bill received duly accepted, being bill received duly accepted. Okay, and next part in the books of Deepak, he is specifying that I am accepting the bill, so there is a liability which is created in my head, and due to the new liability, old liability is getting cancelled. The old liability's name was Akash, who need not be paid by me now. Anybody who is going to bring the bill on the due date, I am going to pay that fellow. So Akash is the receiver today of the bill which is accepted by me. Entry will be Akash account debit to bills payable account. For the drawer it is called as bills receivable, for the drawee it is called as bills payable. The amount is rupees how much? 25,000, and it will be again 25,000 being bill accepted. Okay, so first entry is over. Now we are going to consider different situations. First situation is A, bill retained. Bill retained. Okay, retained and honored. Retained and honored, same thing I'm going to write here. 23rd of, sorry, situation A, retained and honored. Okay, very good. Now if the bill is retained, you tell me what is your opinion. Who will come and demand the money of the bill? Since it is retained, it must be there in the cash box of Akash. On the due date, Akash only will go and demand money from Deepak. Deepak will be paying the money. So in the books of Deepak, he is paying, cash is going out, credit what goes out, so to cash or bank. And why is he paying? He is not paying because of the person, but he is paying because of the person bringing the bill. That means the liability called as bills payable is getting cancelled. The entry will be bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. That will be on 26th of March 2019. 26th of March 2020. Entry will be bills payable account debit to cash account. What is the amount? The amount is 25,000. Being our acceptance honored. Take the case of this fellow again on 26th of March. We'll specify cash is coming in, debit what comes in, cash account debit. One can also say cash or bank account debit. And why the cash is coming in? Not because of Deepak, but cash is coming in because of bills receivable. So the bills receivable which was there in our cash box has now gone away. So it is bills receivable account debit, bills receivable account, sorry, credit. Amount will be 25,000. Debit is to cash because cash is coming in, and credit is whatever is going out, that is bills receivable is going out, so it will be to bills receivable account, being bill honored. Khatam. Okay, so this is how the entries will be passed in case of situation A. Now what is situation B? If it is discounted with the bank at what percent per annum? 6% per annum. In that case, first entry will have to be passed on 23rd December itself. So in situation B, I'll specify it is discounted and honored, because every time it is honored, that is known to us. DISCOUNTED. Yeah, discounted and honored. Just a moment. Discounted and honored. Okay, distribute the columns here. So the first entry will be on 23rd of December itself, the day on which it is discounted. Who is going to discount? I have discussed it at length in the earlier problems. Discounting can be done only by the person who is a drawer, because we can discount our asset, we can never discount our liability. We can discount our bills receivable, we can never discount our bills payable. Bills receivable are held by Akash. That means it is Akash who is going to discount it, not Deepak. So in that case, I'm going to consider in the books of Akash. Akash will go to the bank and will ask the bank, please give me the money today for a bill which is going to be paid by Deepak after 3 months. So bank is saying, okay, give us the bill. We will go to Deepak, we will collect the bill and we'll give it to you afterwards. Then Akash will tell the bank, no, I don't want you to work as my clerk. I don't want you to work as my agent, but I want you to work as my financer. I want you to give me money today. Please give me your money today, and afterwards collect money from Deepak and then keep it to yourself. So today bank account will be debited. Discount charges account will be debited. Discount charges account debit. To what? To bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. What is the amount which is received in the bank? Banker is not going to give you full amount. Banker is going to deduct the amount of discount. Discount amount is 375. So the cash received by you, we have already observed it, is 24,625. But the cash is not given to you over the counter in your hand. The cash is deposited in your current bank account, that is current account. So in that case, it is bank account debit 24,625. Discount charges account debit will be 375, and to bills receivable account will be 25,000, being bill discounted. Now you tell me, if the bill is discounted, for that purpose what is the entry in the books of drawee? Drawee will specify that I am not at all a party to this transaction. So whether the bill is retained with you by you yourself in your cash box, or the bill is discounted by you, or you have done anything else with the bill, that doesn't make any difference for me. For me it is one and the same. I can ignore the transaction because I am not a party to this transaction. So the entry will be no entry. The entry is passed only by the person who is involved in the transaction. Since in this transaction drawee is not involved, then and there is no change in the position of the drawee, therefore there is no entry in the books of drawee. But thereafter, on the due date, who will go to whom for the purpose of demanding the money? Obviously it is the bank who will go and demand money from the drawee, that is Deepak. Now you tell me, bank is demanding money from Deepak as an owner of the bill or as an agent of the bill? Obviously as an owner, because the bill is discounted. For Mr. Deepak, it doesn't make difference whether the bank is the owner or bank is the agent. For Mr. Deepak, whoever comes with the bill, he is going to honor the bill because Deepak is more interested in maintaining his reputation. So Deepak may not be happy to dishonor the bill. It is already told by the bank that the bill is honored. It is already told by the problem that the bill is honored. Since it is honored, in the books of Deepak, the entry will be simple entry. I am honoring my bill 26th of March 20. Bills payable account debit to bank account. If you remember my summary, then you will remember that in the books of drawee, whatever the case may be, the entries remain same, whether the bill is honored or it is dishonored or it is discounted. Let me shift aside. Yes, here you can see the amount is bills payable account debit to bank account, and when the bill was retained at that time also the entry was same. So I'll say being bill or our acceptance honored. Okay, and in the books of drawee, the banker has collected the money now, and banker, what is your opinion? Will return this money to Mr. Akash, or banker won't return the money? Banker won't return the money. Banker will specify, I am working as your financier. I had already given you the money on 23rd December itself. So now the bill is purchased by me. In fact, that is the definition of discounting of a bill. Discounting of a bill means selling the bill to the banker. If that is the case, banker is the owner, so whatever money remains or collected by him, that money is going to be maintained by him with himself. So the entry will be no entry, because banker will receive the money and banker will keep it with himself. Banker will not give anything back to our drawer. So the entry in case of bill retained and honored are complete. Similarly, the entries in respect of bill discounted and honored are also complete. But the problem has given us two more situations. If Akash sent the bill to bank for collection on 23rd December, and if Akash endorsed the bill to his creditor, that is Viren. Okay, so let me consider now duplication of this slide and add point number C and point number D. Okay, so this is the situation. I'll remove the first entry because it is common entry. There is no need for me to consider this entry again and again. And this is my entry number C. Sent to bank for collection and honored. Bank for collection and honored. Okay, so the entry will have to be changed. Just a minute. Yes. Yes. Bill sent to bank for collection on 23rd December. What is the entry? 23rd December 2019. Bill is going out, credit what goes out. Banker is ready to immediately give us 24,625 or 75, whatever amount he is interested in giving. But Mr. Akash is telling, no, I don't want you to give me any money today because I am not in need of cash. But the problem is I don't want to do the work of clerk. I don't want to keep that cash bill in my cash box, remember daily whether it is due date or not, and thereafter collect it on the due date, etc. I want you to do this work on my behalf. Banker is saying, okay, I am ready to collect the money, but for that purpose I will be expecting you to give me some charges. Okay, so banker is going to charge you for something, but that is called as bank charges, which are not currently told by the problem. What is the amount of bank charges, that is not given by the problem. So we are just going to consider no discounting, because we are not going to collect any money today. But as on today, the bills receivable which was remaining in our cash box has already gone out of our cash box and it has gone in the hands of banker now. So we'll have to create some other account, a temporary account, which will specify that bill has gone out of our cash box. Entry will be bank for collection account. There are two names I had told. Number one, you can use a short name, bank for collection account, or you can use a long name, bill sent to bank for collection account. I repeat, you can use any of the two names, either bank for collection account or bill sent to bank for collection account. So I am considering simple name, bank for collection account debit. Bank for collection account debit to what account? Bills receivable account. Okay, to bills receivable account. Just a minute. Amount is how much? 25,000. To bills receivable account, amount is 25,000, being bill sent to bank for collection. Now the question is, what will be the entry in the books of drawee when the bill is sent to bank for collection? Drawee will specify, I am not at all a party to this transaction, so there is no question of me passing any entry. So in the books of drawee, for discounting also there was no entry, and for sent to bank for collection also there is no entry. Okay, but now the question is, on 26th of December, what will 26th of March, what will happen? On 26th of March, the bill will be sent or will be demanded by the banker from the drawee. The banker will go to the drawee and will demand a bill. Drawee will specify, I am not interested in knowing whether you are the owner of the bill or you are the agent of the bill, whether you are the financer to the drawer or you are the clerk to the drawer, agent to the drawer. For me, what is important, bill is coming in and I am supposed to honor that particular thing. This is my own bills payable, this is my own commitment, I am going to honor this commitment. So he is going to pass the entry, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. If you remember properly, we have discussed this in detail, that in the books of drawee, irrespective of the type of transaction, the entries always remain same, whether it is honored or it is dishonored. For honor, the entry is little bit different, but in all situations entries remain same. Okay, and for dishonor, the entries are different than that of honored, but in all the situations of dishonor, the entries remain same. Okay, so we can specify the drawee will pass the entry, bills payable account debit to cash account. Amount is how much? 25,000, being our acceptance honored. HONOURED, yes. And take the case of drawee, the entry will be, take the case of drawer. Now banker has collected the money. What is your opinion? Can the banker keep the money with himself? Because it is bill sent to bank for collection. Banker cannot keep it with himself. Banker must return the money back to the drawer, because now the banker is not acting as a financier, banker is acting as an agent. So whatever money banker has collected, that he will put in the current account of the drawer. So current account of the drawer balance will go up, asset balance will go up. Current account is the receiver, debit the receiver, it will be current account debit, that is bank account debit. Sir, why not saving account? Why are you considering current account? Reason is, for a business it is not allowed to have saving account. Businesses will always have current account. Bank account debit to what? To bank for collection account. Amount is how much? 25,000, being bill sent to bank for collection honored. Being bill sent to bank for collection honored, or you can say being bill honored. Okay, that is situation number C. Now and let us consider last situation, D. It was sent by this fellow, being bill sent to bank for collection honored. Yes, Now it is endorse. He has endorsed it in favor of his friend. What is the name of the friend? Viru, I think. I don't remember. Let us check it. Just a minute. Yes, let us check. The Viren, not the name is not Viru, name is Viren. So Akash is endorsing it to his creditor Viren. Now they have not told us the date of endorsing. So in that case, I am consider date column question mark. Date of endorsement is not given. I am going to consider question mark. And what is going to happen? The bill is endorsed in favor of Viren. Viren is the receiver. Debit the receiver. Bill is going out. Credit what goes out. So Viren account debit to bills receivable account. Amount is how much? 25,000 being bill endorsed in favor of Viren or our creditor, being bill endorsed in favor of our creditor. Okay, what is the entry on the same date for the purpose of endorsement? Now endorsement date is not given to us, but we can specify the transaction is between Akash and Viren. That means Deepak is not at all a party to this transaction. So Deepak will specify, sorry, I will not pass any entry. Okay, you may pass the entry, Viren may pass the entry, but I will not going to pass the entry. And then on 26th of March 2020, you will find that Viren will go and demand money from our droid, that is Deepak. And Deepak is not interested in knowing whether it is the Viren who is coming, or it is Akash who is coming. He will specify anybody comes with a bill, I am ready to honor the bill. So the entry will be 26th of March 2020, same entry, bills payable account debit to bank account, being our acceptance honored, exactly same entry. Or you can say bills payable account debit to cash account. Okay. Here also you can say bills payable account debit to cash account. Unless they have told that it is paid by check, we can safely say that it is cash. Or you can also write cash or bank, that is also okay. And now who has received the money? Viren has received money. And what is your opinion? Will Viren return this money back to Akash? No question about it. Viren will not return this money to Akash. Viren will keep it with himself because he was anyway the creditor. So for Akash, now nothing is coming in, nothing is going out, nobody is debtor and nobody is creditor. The transaction is not required to be recorded by him. He can specify no entry. So in the books of Akash, the entry will be no entry, just like discounting of a bill which is honored. We are saying in the books of Akash no entry. Similarly, endorsed bill honored, we are going to say the same situation, no entry. So that's what we are completing the problem. Very nice. Now actually speaking, I can consider one more problem in this lecture, but it is better for us to follow our procedure. Our old procedure is that generally I am considering one problem per lecture. So I am stopping this lecture here. Immediately I am going to record one more lecture and I am going to upload the second lecture also. So be with me, be ready for the second question which we are going to solve in the next lecture, that is 10th lecture. Now if you have not yet subscribed for the channel, I'll surely recommend you to subscribe the channel. Be with me for the purpose of studies. I am planning that before your 12th standard studies of this year, your entire syllabus should be completed properly. First preference is given obviously to the compulsory topics, and then I'll be considering the optional topics. Okay, so be with me. Let us meet in the second lecture. Till that time, bye bye.